Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use free VPN in Google Chrome. So once you're inside your Google Chrome browser, click the three dots in the upper right hand side. And from here, go to extension and visit the Chrome Web Store. Then you want to go ahead and type in VPN. And once you hit search, you should see a bunch of VPN options that comes in. Now, the one that I'm normally using is this one here that says free VPN for Chrome, and it's by VPN, right? So you want to go ahead and get this one here, right? Click on that, and you just want to click add to Chrome. And once you click on that, you want to add the extension as well, and you will see that in a moment it will quickly load and it will be added to your Google Chrome. So just to be patient. As you can see, it is done, guys. And now you can see that you have that installed. Now go ahead and click the extension icon in the upper right hand side and go ahead and click on pin. Now go ahead and open a new tab and just simply click on the VPN icon. Now you will see that it appears, and just go ahead and click on continue. Click on start, click on continue with free at the bottom. You don't even have to log in. Just click the exit on the upper left and just click the power button right here at the top. You can also choose different regions as well. So as you can see that you have some regions, you can choose one of the free regions. So if you want, for example, United Kingdom, you can click on that, then click on start, and it's going to connect for you. And then you can start browse whatever you want, guys. Very easy and very simple.